If you're an SMMA owner, I'm gonna go over the top softwares that I use right now to run my 7-figure agency. So let's get right into it. Number one is Basecamp. This is where we have all of our client chats, our project management, we have client communication, we have all the docs and files and Google Drives and all that within one, and also task management all within one system. So that client's project is now managed in this one board, and that board will have a group chat, it will have a message board with like the most important deliverables, all the onboarding materials. It'll have check-ins, which is every single day we answer a question within that Basecamp to make sure that the client is now informed on what's going on with their campaigns. We have the to-do list, which is for our internal team. We have docs and files, which is where the client can upload videos and images and assets for us to now use for graphic design or video editing, whatever the case may be. So that's number one software that we use, Basecamp. I like it a lot better than Slack. Slack, that sound is just godly annoying, and Slack also has some automations that you cannot do. So it's very frustrating, right? And for scalability reasons, you don't want to feel like you can just see 85 chats all in one fucking board. It makes you overwhelmed and just scared, okay? So that's why we got away from Slack. It's just overwhelming. So first one's Basecamp. Number two is Monday.com. We actually just recently switched to this. We're getting everybody onboarded right now into this because we're trying to find a better task management software for internal so that the clients can't see, so that we know we have the right accountability, the right deadlines. We can see that daily task board at a better scope. Basecamp, it's not as sexy, it's not as fruitful that it would be on Monday.com. And there's a lot of sales stuff that we can do in there, follow-ups, etc. And that brings me to number three, which is HubSpot. Okay, we just got a new CRM. It's called HubSpot. We're moving all the sales reps there. We're setting up all the zaps right now for that, so that now we can have better lead retention and obviously lead follow-up and then conversion on the sales process over that 7 and 30-day basis. HubSpot's very well recommended. I used to use Close.io. I wasn't a big fan of it. Just a lot of shit show automations, too complicated. Not that we can't handle it, but I want something more streamlined and just simpler. Okay, I don't want people to sit there stressed out all day trying to figure out a fucking message inside Close. I would rather just use HubSpot. It's easier. And it is a lot more streamlined. Number four is gonna be DataBox. So DataBox, we actually use that now for the client's reporting. So the client gets onboarded, they're able to sign into their Facebook, TikTok, Google, and YouTube accounts within their DataBox, and now all their ad campaign results will automatically populate to their dashboard. So now we don't have to send them daily reports or tell them how their campaigns are doing. They can just go to their DataBox dashboard and look themselves. They don't need to be asking us those kind of questions. So we're cutting down that communication so that we can focus more on the fulfillment piece. Number five is gonna be Calendly. We have all of our team members within Calendly. They have their onboarding calls, their account manager calls, their media buying, strategy calls. That's where we centralize everything so that everybody's in a round robin, everybody's on the same page, everybody knows like who's on what calls so that we don't interrupt other team members. But Calendly is our booking software. So those are the biggest softwares that I use. There's really nothing else that we use because I don't want to have like 50 million softwares. I rather just want to have like 5 or less. So hope you guys got value from this. I hope you implement these softwares and really start to dive into them. I'm going to be making other videos about each software, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.